We're here with Rojoknight, and me is Dalton, and we're finna go on a bike ride. Alright, let's start.
Okay, Dalton, what's next?
Drive.
Okay, so I think what we're about to do is we're gonna go down this road and take a right and go onto a dirt road and hopefully tell some jokes on the way or something, or see a dog, maybe a cat. I don't know. I like porcupines. Okay, and on me. Okay, so what I'm gonna try to do is this. And Dalton said he's gonna try it after me. Okay. That was kind of fun, kind of not. Yeah. Okay, camera exchange. Dang, Dalton, you're going pretty far. I'm gonna laugh if he falls. Okay, and that was it. And you ready?
Yeah.
Y'all gonna smile? He's lame. That was bright. Okay, so this is Dalton.
Yeah.
He's about to ride through this. Now, before he does, give me a second. I'm gonna ride through it and let you guys see what he's about to ride through. You stay here.
Okay.
Oh, look at all that nastiness over here. Oh, I hope there's a leash worm in there. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, that's all nasty. And then he's gonna come out here. He's gonna turn back right here. And he's gonna go right back over here where I am gonna be waiting on him. And if he doesn't get all that bad stuff happening to him, I'm gonna do it as well. Okay, let me turn around so you can, okay. Dalton, go. Go fast. Go through the watery parts. I'm praying to God that he falls. He made it out. Okay, let's go back over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he died. Oh. Okay, so now we're gonna stop back. No, we're gonna.
Whoa, that was close. That was close.
Oh, title of this video: Kid almost breaks his ankle. Okay.
Okay, your turn.
Got it. Okay. Now I said I would. 3, 2, let's go. John, how wet did your legs get?
Not at all.
Oh, this is nothing. Oh, now they're pedaling.
See how it feels?
Why do you do this? Why?
You want me to stop it? You want me to stop it?
Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Kind of worried. This Dalton, what are you doing? Like, hi. Okay, so we're scared now. Okay. See. Right. I don't know if I can zoom. Yeah, I zoomed. Okay. There's a dog.
In the middle of the road.
And there's a dog. Dog in the middle of the road. This is the end of our journey for now. We're gonna go turn back. Hopefully find something else cool on the way. See you then. Okay, you know what to do now. Okay, ride the bikes. Yeah. Ride the bike, Dalton.
Oh, I can't record like that. And here he comes. Anything you got to say, Rojoknight?
Oh, that's a dog. Oh, that scared me. Let me see the phone.
I thought it was a big dog.
You in the recording? Oh no, he didn't. Oh, that scared me a little bit. Those dogs come out of nowhere. Oh, these dogs over here.
They creep us out a little bit.
We're back. Okay, so what we're doing, now we're just gonna ride down the hill, and since this is the lamest vlog in the world, we gotta hurry because this car, oh my god, there's a dog on that side, car's over there, let's get up. Hey Dalton, hey Dalton, hey Dalton. Dog, you're back. Like your mom was back. Dalton, I'm gonna crash into you, Dalton.
You gonna take a shortcut? Huh? You gonna take a shortcut?
No. Bye, Dalton. I miss you. I love you long time.
I'm tired.
Hey, Dalton. Hey, Dalton. Hey, Dalton. We're not done yet. Come on. Where you going, Dalton?
Hold on, wait on me.
Alright, so on behalf of Dalton, since you see this guy sitting down on the job, it's too late, the vlog's over now. That was gonna be the end of it anyways. This is a basketball game. Oh, I gotta stop, I gotta stop. Whoa! I almost crashed. Okay, so that's the end of this. Dalton, say goodbye. Look at the camera, say bye-bye.
Subscribe.
Rojognight's better.